Alright, y'all. I don't think my mic is working, so it probably sounds like crap, but whatever. We got a new toy. Let's try it out. Let's see how it works. I think my camera lens is dirty too. I'm still ugly. Alright, so what I picked up is the Top Don RT Diag 900 light. It is right here. I have not opened it. I don't know what it looks like in person, but I did not expect this big old case. Like, Jesus, this thing is, oh, come back here. This thing is huge. So this will be my first time. This thing is huge. Oh my God. This thing is beefy. So we can see that we have the Bluetooth thingamabobber. I'm gonna try my best. Oh, is it magnetic? Oh, got a stand, got a camera, got a flash, power button, Cat 5, USB, HDMI, charger, camera button. What is this? Oh, and a memory card. I guess when, like, if you run reports, stuff like that. I'm probably not gonna need that. But let me see what we got over here. We have a wall charger. We have a hard cable, ODD 2. We have a USB-A to USB-C charging cable. And then we have different adapters for the wall charger. I don't know why. Well, I guess. Oh, this might just be an extension. So I guess if it's hard to get to, or if you can't fit this under the dash, then you could just plug it into that and then plug this up in there if you have some sort of size discrepancy. But I mean, even that and that is not that much of a difference, because I don't see. Put you back in there. It only goes one way. Okay, because there's not a place to, like, physically plug it into this. But let's mosey on down to my truck and let's see what it pulls up. Hopefully I don't have to create an account. Log in. Oh, create an account. I don't know how the slightest idea what VCIe is, but let's plug this in and let's turn the truck on auxiliary and let's see what we see. So I don't know what VCIe is. Don't have the slightest idea. I haven't read the first lick of instructions. I'm doing what men do, and I'm just going for it. What is VCI? Update later. Update later. Alright, y'all. I'll be back once it finishes updating. It didn't give me the option to skip it. So this is a VCI. I had to Google it. Didn't know what it was. So let's get this plugged in. Make sure the lights and everything is on, which it is. This is doing a device search. So let me get y'all somewhere. All right. Why do you need context and call history? You don't need that. All right. Activate. One of the twins, activate. I don't want to update again. All right, so we have library, maintenance. Let's do diagnostics. So my truck currently has 0 check engine lights on. So let's just do a quick test. Do a functionality test, and do I not just click on it? Do I need to update this thing again? So I got the newest GM update and everything on here. The system is completely updated. So let's go to diagnostics. Let's go to GMC. Sorry for that glare. Let me close the sunroof. There we go. Too much fuzzy data. What? I don't care about instructional. Automatic. The ignition is on. Jesus. Read the VIN number, please. Is that right? I guess so. I don't know. Yukon. Automatic HVAC. Under 8,600. What is this? I don't know. All right, so the RPO codes for 2007 GMC Yukon, at least mine, is in the glove box, and mine is not a JL4. I have a JD9 and a JF4 and a JAN, but not a JL4. So I don't know what VSES is, but I don't have it. So 2007 Yukon light duty truck, MPV incomplete, GMC truck, 5.3, 4x4, half ton. Yep. So you're gonna learn stuff about your vehicle when you do this. So let's see. Like I said, the truck currently does not have any check engine codes. It runs fine. So I'm just curious to see what it comes up with. Oh, and it tells us the voltage. The voltage of the truck is 12.9 volts. 12.19, then 12.18. Let's do auto scan and just see.
If you want to use the auto scan function where it auto scans all the modules, please click this button here.
Because what I'm really want to know is my HVAC control module. I think some of my modulators for the HVAC is not working correctly. Oh, active test. That's what I want to see, is the active test. I took Bose out, so there's no more Bose. Go back. I want to see an active test. Oh, I can do all of them independently. So I'm going to do a whole nother video on this because I want to know if my temperature doors and everything are working as they should. So that's gonna be a whole nother video. I bought this so I could test individual modules, and this does exactly what it's supposed to. I don't have rear heat, rollover sensors. This has a lot of stuff. Oh, I don't have lift gate, passenger door switch, driver door switch. Huh. Let's try some stuff out. See, I'm gonna be in here just playing with stuff. Okay, door unlock. Will it unlock the doors? Will it lock and unlock the doors? Oh, door actuator command. That's pretty cool. So you can go through and test individual functions. Oh, all right. Yes, so this is why I bought this, was because I wanted to go through and test and actuate individual things to help diagnose. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. All right, but still for this video, I wanted to do like an entire system. Oh, wait a minute. 3 faults. What 3 faults do we have? I know that my door mirror motor vertical circuit short to ground. You know what? I wonder if this is why my mirrors don't work, because my side mirrors will not adjust when I use the switch. This is all right. Either way it goes, you saw a little preview of what it can do, and like I said, I really want to test my HVAC actuators to make sure that they are in range, because the rear will blow heat when it's supposed to be blowing cold air. So this was like $300. So I mean, diagnostics would be probably half a day and 180. So I was only $120 away from just buying a unit and being able to diagnose it myself. And I'm also curious what functions it will give me on my 2014 Mazda 6, because my truck is a 2007. So what's hot functions? Oil reset, ABS bleeding. That's cool. Yes, I mean, I guess that's it. I do have a buddy that has a Escalade that needs to put the factory adjustable air suspension back on, and I could probably reprogram it with this to make sure everything is working good. So I need to send him a text message, let him know, go ahead and put him on a schedule to get that installed. But yeah, I think that's all I'm going through today. This is going to do what I need to do, and whenever I decide to go through the actuators and everything, make sure everything is working as it should and everything is in range, I'll make another video. But I am excited to have this and be able to play with it and be able to diagnose my own stuff. And I think I got 2 years of free updates, so I'm sure I can make my money back no problem between my just not going to the dealership and being able to diagnose everything myself. I'm sure that I'm going to make my $300 back in short time. My buddy sent me a message and said that you can buy just the VCI itself, and then you can download the mobile app. I'm going to look that up, and I'm going to put that in the video description as well. But yeah, I'm excited. I do want to get like a GM or a Mazda, or if I could put my Darius Bills logo on here on like the lock screen or whatever. So yep, it's probably a long video and you learned absolutely nothing except for how excited I am to have this. So yeah, what time is it? I gotta get my kids. It's like everything you do, think, build, enjoy. Peace. I should have known better to think that I was going to just bring out the box and use it. This has a lot of updates to do, so I'll see y'all tomorrow or tonight.